everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and this is my niece Maddie. You
Hi.
know Maddie. And today we are opening surprises. We have 2 Wishables, and we have 3 boxes of these Overshadowing Villain pins. They're all from Shop Disney, so we could just have 2 pins and 2 of the same Wishable. I don't know if you saw my Cruella video, but that did not go according to plan. So fingers crossed that today we have better luck. So we're going to start with the Wishables, and the Wishables we have are the Fantasmic series. I've had these for a very, very long time.
These are discontinued, right?
Yeah, they're out of there. Now if you look at the bag, you can probably guess which ones I wanted. You have Maleficent as a dragon, the Broom, Chernabog, and Steamboat Willie.
I want Steamboat Willie or the Broom. Or Maleficent, that's my third one. But yeah, that one's too creepy.
Okay, well that's probably good because the 2 I want are Maleficent and Chernabog, and Maddie kind of wants the other 2, so...
Yeah, because they're really cute.
They are very, very cute.
Darn.
And they're probably the exact same thing. Alright, you ready to tear into yours?
Yep.
Alright, alright.
That's Steamboat Willie!
Huzzah! Alright, you want to open this one? Alright, get in here. This is my nephew Donovan.
My brother.
It's a family affair. Alright, dude, there's a pull on the side. Alright, what do we got?
Steamboat Willie.
Wah, wah. You want to keep it? Okay. So Steamboat Willie number 2 has been claimed. That actually made it pretty easy because if it was Maleficent or Chernabog, I'm not sure I would have been kind enough to give it to Donovan.
No, he would be scared.
I knew that was going to happen.
Yep.
Both Wishables the same.
Yep.
Alright, so we're going to move on to these Overshadowing Villains pins. Each box comes with 2 pins, and there's Chernabog and Sorcerer Mickey, Scar and Simba, Hades and Hercules, Jafar and Aladdin, the Evil Queen and Snow White, Maleficent and Sleeping Beauty.
There's no Steamboat Willie.
Nope, not on this.
You said there was Steamboat Willie.
Sorcerer Mickey. Did I say Steamboat Willie? I'm a liar. Cruella and Pongo and Perdita, and Ursula and Ariel. So we'll see what we get.
There's 3.
Yep, there are 3. Alright, you want to open your box first?
Yeah.
Which ones did you want?
That one.
Evil Queen.
Or that one.
Okay, same. Evil Queen and Maleficent. Let's see what we got.
I want any boy.
Any boy, okay.
I want any girl because I don't like
I'm going to tell Mickey Mouse.
No, I like Mickey Mouse. I don't like any villain boys. Alright. The only villain boy I like is
Alright, what's the first one?
The only villain boy I like is Gaston.
Oh, yeah.
Ursula.
That's very cool.
Ariel. We're on my next one.
Alright, what's the second one?
Hades.
Alright, Hades. That's a boy one.
I might get that to Donovan.
That would be really nice of you.
Unless I get the Hades too.
What that was.
It
Alright.
was box.
Box number 2. Do you think it's going to be the same luck that we had with the Wishables?
No.
Which is
Because they're different.
Alright, fingers crossed.
They're different boxes.
Should have brought scissors over.
And you bought. Did you? Oh yeah, you bought these at the same time. Oh, it's not the same.
It's the Evil Queen. Oh, success. Alright, let's see what the second one is. Oh,
Scar.
Scar and Simba. All right, so far we've gotten 4 different ones. All right, let's open our last box. You just go for it, Dawn. You know they have tabs. You don't have to just tear into them.
Oh, wait.
Oh, here we go.
Open it.
He's working on it.
You can only see half of his face.
Yeah. There he is. All right. You, interestingly enough, opened the bag in a more civilized manner than we did.
Yeah.
Oh, it's another Scar.
Aw.
Spoke too soon.
You can keep it.
All right, you gonna keep him? Scar and Simba.
And if you get a girl, I'll give you my Hades.
All right. Okay. All right. Oh, it's a different one though.
Is it a girl? Cruella de Vil.
Cruella.
Here.
Cruella and Pongo and Perdita. So that wasn't bad. So not bad, not bad. We got, well, 2 of the same Wishable, but you guys each got a Steamboat Willie. And then 5 of 6 different pins. So I think this is pretty successful.
Yeah.
What she said?
These are mine too. I got 2 girls
Because it was
It
mine.
was stolen.
I trade my brother for her Hades and Hercules.
So pretty good. All right, high five. I think that went well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I suspect we have some more surprise videos coming your way with my guest co-star, Maddie.
Like and subscribe.
Hi.